Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's Pearl and Metallic Wax. Here's a great idea on how to make your pearlescent or metallic paint even more stunning. We have created the Pearl and Metallic Wax just for this task. A classic sponge applicator, a large can, but it's the contents that may surprise you. It's a wax in the form of a soft paste, so you can achieve more than just protection with one product. Slightly wet the included sponge applicator. Take a small amount of wax from the can and apply it to the paintwork. With this wax, the method will be slightly different. Use a little more force and using circular motion, work the product thoroughly into the paintwork. The cleaning powder will remove deeply embedded deposits, road film and other contaminants. Remember to work panel by panel. Wait 5 to 15 minutes. This is how long it should take before the wax is ready for polishing. Keep an eye on the paintwork, as an additional signal to start polishing will be a visible white deposit coming out. Now you appreciate the soft texture of this wax. It allows the wax to spread easily, giving the applicator sufficient glide, and you have more time to work with the product. Pearl and Metallic Wax offers you more than just a classic wax and is more durable than conventional all-in-ones or glaze-type products, lasting approximately 4 weeks after application. We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.